Hey there crew, it's Mark, and in today's video we're checking out the welcome kit that we got for Go Wild. I am so excited for this conference, not only because I'm going to be hosting the crop this year, and I get to introduce some amazing people like Amanda Rach Lee. Holy crap, it's going to be amazing. But I also get to meet a ton of my friends and overall just attend the conference, which I haven't. Last year, as I've talked about, I kind of party crashed a little bit during one of the breaks and saw all my friends. Well, this year I'll be there the whole time. So let's go ahead and see what's inside of this box and experience Go Wild welcome kits together for the first time. So this year Go Wild is going to be in Dallas, Texas, Arlington technically, but you know, Dallas is the big city. So we got it all branded out, giddy up, go wild, y'all means all. Hey, I use y'all here on the East Coast, so I'm already speaking the language, I'm good to go. So really excited, so let's open this up. All kinds of goodies inside of here. Ooh, I cannot wait. All right, so the first thing we have inside of here is going to be the welcome badge. So this is something I'll be wearing the entire time that we're there. Love it because, well, it has marker pages on it. I feel like I'm official now. You know, Men Who Bullet no longer exists. It's just mark your pages. We can definitely tell that the color scheme is very Go Wild. But we're okay with it. We're gonna have a lot of fun. So the first thing I want to check out is actually this plum paper. It's a conference journal, so this is pretty neat. I mean, a conference that's for planners kind of makes sense that we have a planner here for us, right? So this is pretty nice. This whole thing is just kind of jotting down different things to make happen. I'm excited for people I'd like to meet. My mantra is things to do. Look at this, travel details, packing list. They've really covered it all inside of this. This is such a cool idea. What's kind of interesting, I'm curious how many people have a similar spread to this inside of their own journals instead of the one given here, but still, this is super cool. I love this even has sections for the speakers and the workshops and everything else like that. This just includes it all. So what a cool little piece to have. There's even a spending ledger. I feel like I would fill this out in like no time. I feel like this is dangerous, especially at a conference that's all about planners and stationery. Oh, look at that. They've got some like coloring pages here in the back. That's super cool. All right, also in here, we have kind of all the details of the conference. I love they're including this. As much as I love things that are online, it's nice to have paper as well. So I think most people probably are arriving on Wednesday. I know that I am. They have the Shop Owner Summit. We talked a little bit about this on the Planner Pals podcast just the other day. So you want more details about Go Wild, just fills me in on all of this. So Thursday, it looks like everything kicks off around 11 o'clock. Sponsor booth, pop up, all this fun stuff. And then we've got the Archer and Olive welcome party at 7 o'clock, which is awesome. Fridays, we're checking in. Everything else is going on. Doors open at 7:30. All the sessions begin by 8. So that's a very early morning. And then we've got the Wild Crop. That's what I'm going to be hosting. I cannot wait. All kinds of fun things happening there. Saturday, doors open at 7:30, 8 to 2. I actually have to leave early on Saturday, but I'm going to have to see if I can maybe make it for some stuff in the morning. We'll have to see. But all the other details inside of here, love that they're including this kind of stuff. Makes it really nice and awesome. You feel very comfortable getting ready to go to a big conference like this. All right, we got some other goodies inside of here. We've got a Wild in Dallas, Chrissy Ann design stickers here. Got some Simply Gilded stickers here. Loving that foil on there. We've got a Wild and Bright pin. Oh, the friendship bracelets. Wild in Dallas, that's cute. Go Wild Dallas 2024. Got some washi tape inside of here too. Got yourself a pen. All my colors, you can tell, right, as we're going through all of this. Everyone's like, Mark, this is totally your type of box. But hey, it's Go Wild, we're having fun. All right, what do we got inside of here? Live, Love, Posh. Ooh, more goodies, more goodies. I feel like we're already getting started with all the goodies, and I'm not even there yet. All right, Wild at Heart, swag bag. What is this? The Live, Love, Posh. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's metal, it's cool though. Y'all with the cowboy boots, cowgirl boots, I'm guessing. Pretty sticker in my Wild era. And then a Live, Love, Posh, and some memories inside of here. Oh, present this card at the Posh pop-up shop to redeem swag. So I got to remember to take this with me. All right, and then we got a bunch of Pip stickers inside of here. This looks fun. I was literally just talking about Pip stickers the other day and saying that I don't have any in my collection, and well, now I do. All right, so we got all kinds of fun stuff. Some smiley faces here, lip balm and lips, all right. Pip stickers, oh, those are cute little cakes. Ooh, fuzzy stickers. I've never seen fuzzy stickers before. BFF, here's my tribe. Some faces and other cool stuff like that too. And then there's also a membership card for a discount for Pip sticks, which is pretty cool. And then bottom of the box is I'm going. I'm telling you, I'm just really, really excited for Go Wild. This is going to be unlike anything else. I get to actually attend this year, which is super cool. I'm a little bit nervous because I'm going to be doing the big hosting job for the crop on Friday night with Zebra. It's going to be so cool. It's been an awesome process. I can't wait to talk about it more after the conference. Like, I don't want to give anything away. We talk about it a little bit on the podcast. So if you haven't checked that out, you can check out Planner Pals podcast, where we talk about everything Go Wild from this last episode. Jess shares so much of that with me because I'm new to this, like really never really been before. Like I said, I kind of party crashed for a hot minute to say hey to some people, but I'm going to be there all day on Thursday, all day on Friday, hopefully a little bit in the morning before I have to leave early to head back home on Saturday, but I really cannot wait for it. So it's going to be so fun. This has got me very much excited, right? We've got stickers, we've got stationery, we got people that are pumped up, but yet all the information is here for me, which I needed. I felt little bit like unprepared because I've been so like laser focused on the crop and like getting the workshop together and thinking about all the fun stuff that Zebra and I are going to do while we're there. So you can rest assured, definitely we'll be doing some live streaming there, probably over on Instagram. It's just a lot easier to do, sharing a lot over there too. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, would love to have you over there. You can follow me at Mark Your Pages, and I'll definitely be doing a wrap-up video afterwards, just kind of talking about the experience at Go Wild. Jess and I even talked about doing like a Go Wild wrap-up podcast in a few weeks as well after we get back and kind of get settled and talking about it more. So it's really pumped up and excited for it. And if you're going to Go Wild this year, let me know down in the comments below. I'm trying to find different ways to meet you all as I'm going there. I know I'm going to hang out with Jess for her meetup, so that'll be something we do kind of off the side of the actual conference itself. So look out for those details, and can't wait to see you at Go Wild in Dallas. So I'll see y'all soon. Later.